Well, this building here in Portumna, it's an iconic building. I know it's a small building, and look, a lot of money goes into restoring some of the bigger buildings. This one is a small one with a big story. I think it's hugely important that it has been restored. So initially when I visited this house, we were chasing a story connected back to Portumna Workhouse, and it was a story about Johnny Butler, a man who as a boy he grew up in Portumna Workhouse, and then he moved on and lived here and became the toll collector here on the bridge, and he was here for years. So we came in to have a look at the house and just kind of get a feel for the place, see could we find anything that was connected back to Johnny, and just kind of further develop his story. Look, it really needed to be kind of looked after, and I'm delighted to see that it has been brought back, you know, because look, if nothing was done with it, these old houses just fall away or fall down, and literally everything goes with them. So I think it's brilliant that Waterways Ireland have shown such an interest in this house, and it's being restored. The house is quite unique. It's sitting on an island between Munster and Connacht, or Tipperary in Galway, whichever you like, and it's said that the county boundary literally runs right through the house. So one side of the house is in Tipperary and the other side is in Galway, so very, very unique.
Waterways Ireland have a lot of interesting heritage structures, locks, lock gates, lock keepers' cottages, and one of the more interesting structures that we're doing some work on at the moment is the Portumna Toll House. We had a conservation report carried out on that structure in 2023. It identified some work that needed to be done, and we were extremely lucky to get some funding from the Historic Structures Fund, and that in combination with Waterways Ireland own resources, considerable work has been done to the interior of the building. The building has been stripped back. The collapsed floors in the interior of the building have been removed. The windows have been removed and replaced at the moment, and some repair work has been carried out to the roof. So really the expectation is that the building needs to dry out fully, and then the next stage then will be some more internal work.